They're going to pretty much be at their regular rotation distribution. Anunoby corner three. That's where they want him this year. Nobody hit more.
Reed taking it away this time.
Going to be a big part of the Knicks offense this year. Out high this time, Anunoby steps back on Gobert into the shot clock. That one's good. First time he's been with the Knicks, of course, during an offseason as Gobert barrels him over.
Reed
DiVincenzo again. Pick and roll with Towns and Brunson. Anunoby three from the wing. It's good.
Anunoby short. How Towns started the previous game. Shots coming up short. Edwards looking to shake it big.
Off the bounce for three. In the NBA last year, their coach Preseason says he wants to get a whole lot better at that. As Anunoby goes up and under on Gobert, he's got 11.
They're going to be a formidable team. They picked up a lot of firepower.
And it does give them some salary cap flexibility going forward as DiVincenzo has a chance for a three-point play. But an ambitious pass from Towns goes right to DiVincenzo. He's got 9 already. Passes to Reed, and he'll score his first 2.
Reed hooping.
Corner three. Bridges can't hit. And Anunoby the offensive rebound. Bridges from the mid-range. That's good. 4-win season about 10 years ago. Steal from Alexander Walker, one of the best defenders in the NBA in a left-hand stuff. 82 games last year, one of just 17 players to do that, including, of course, Mikal Bridges, as Brunson goes right to the rim and scores. Three-point shooter.
And his forte, of course, defense.
Just like OG Anunoby, and a right-hand stuff off the steal.
Sees defense, turning the ball over as well.
Again, this was the top-rated defense in the NBA last year. Doesn't look like it right now. This year, Dillingham got it back, shovels to Gobert. Minot from the mid-range, that's good. I think that 12-2 run for the Knicks, things have calmed down a bit. Dillingham behind the back.
Shaking, baking.
SEC sixth man of the Edwards back into the game. Ingles, touch pass to DiVincenzo, gets rid of Achua, drives the rim, and an alley-oop to Rudy Gobert. Hanging off the handoff from Shamet. Floater goes.
You can feel the intensity is picking up now.
Long three for Payne. Got it.
Yeah, Payne, good defense there by the Knicks on Devo.
That's how you get playing time off the bench for Tom Thibodeau. As Joe
musical thus far.
And he's stripped by Shamet. Here comes Landry Shamet. Easy two.
So if he gets too tough on you, let me know. I'll
There's Anthony Edwards for three.
Forcing a turnover that time as well. Brunson in disarray.
Edwards again. Hits again.
Yeah, so that was the catalyst. Forced the turnover. He's the beneficiary. Edwards looking to take over now. 2 consecutive threes.
Make it 3. He is red hot.
It's on Brunson.
There's 2 Gobert free throws and then 3 straight three
for Brunson.
Edwards shovels to Reed. Hits a 3 over Brunson. And the Brunson thought he got fouled by Minot. Here's Alexander Walker connecting with Minot. The trailer is Anthony Edwards. And he hits another 3. Wow.
Now they're dishing and swishing.
For this year. Good pass from Hart to Bridges. 2-hand slam, and they've connected. Hart marked by Edwards. Kick out to Towns. Catch and shoot. That's a 3. Miss from the corner. Here come the Knicks on the break.
Continue to go for the first ball fake.
Anunoby for 3.
He continues his Midas.
He's got to
tightening up their D now.
End of the shot clock. DiVincenzo turns, shoots, got it. The delay of game warning on Minnesota, by the way, as Brunson shows off the footwork.
Yeah, good D by Walker.
Towns powers to the paint, gets 2.
Towns previously the 3. Knicks in a good rhythm now, especially Towns.
And Brunson ties it.
This capacity crowd.
Back from down 11 in the final half minute of the first half. And Edwards could go a long way to getting the Knicks a favorable seed in the regular season as DiVincenzo and other teammates involved. And it was only a matter of time before he finished with 25 and 12. Edwards has not cooled off since the first half. He's now 6 of... Yeah, DiVincenzo alluded to it there, Clyde. The Timberwolves were on his short list when he wound up signing with the Knicks before last year, as Anthony Edwards is bound to Brunson.
You want your guards to get those deep rebounds. Good job by Brunson.
Brunson floater. That is vintage Jalen. The capologists around the NBA have praised the Knicks as DiVincenzo's new age CBA to keep the starting five together for 3-4 years as Brunson gets the role for.
Pace has quickened. Back door wide open.
Nobody home. Anthony Edwards has 20. Brunson on the hop. Pump fake. Up and under. 3-point play. They got to hang on to Jaden McDaniels. Not a lot of people around the league knew he would turn into this, but he's certainly been an excellent defensive player as Edwards continues to cook. The only opening night starter that also started game one last year. Bridges from the corner. That's a three. With three, which is what we thought it was initially. That's certainly a three for Jaden McDaniels.
Fatigue could be a factor now.
Brunson left it for Bridges and one. During his last year with Phoenix, he was runner-up for Defensive Player of the Year, but Marcus Smart edged out Bridges. And Anthony Edwards is unconscious right now. 8 for 12 from downtown, 8 for 13.
Too much time that time.
Bridges ahead of the pack for two. Bridges sealed off by Reed. He gets rid of it to Towns. Good no call. Good three-pointer. And the Knicks take the... Karl Anthony Towns, his second triple. He's got 14 points.
Crowd is back now. Becoming a factor.
Reed in the lane and one. Good to Anunoby. Right back to the middle for Towns. Absolute star in his role. McBride sealed off by Alexander Walker. Campaign. Floater fouled and one. Paying off the pick. Scoop shot is good. He scores over. It is Celtics, Thunder, and the New York Knicks. Ingles connects from the corner. And finally caught up to him as Achua slams it home. Did out free agency. It was about a month into free agency as Reed buries a triple. And he gets one out to Achua. Spins on Alexander Walker. Falling away. Precious Achua. How about that? Garza checks into the game. He's got himself into terrific shape this offseason as McBride somehow finds a way to put it through. 11 in the preseason opener, but a little bit cold since then. Payne navigates, finds Shamet, open three, got it. Shannon Jr. missed the layup, rebound, Garza. Out to Clark. Back rim to three, but he got his own rebound. Takes it to Sims, and one.
That's the Mets.
Right.
Cleon Jones, Tommy Agee, Shamsky, those were my guys back in the day.
Why don't we run that back? Let's have all the New York teams win. As McBride buries a three. Deuce says connect. Now Leonard Miller just into the game. Threw it away, but Shannon saved it. 4 to shoot. Clark will launch and connect. Missed all of last year with an Achilles injury after being picked up from UCLA. Nice floater from Campaign. For Knicks fans, congratulations to Dick Barnett, Hall of Fame. Shamet from the free throw line. That's good and a foul. Have McBride, Shamet, Payne, Achua, and the big fella Hukporti, who sets a screen for Shamet, and he buries a three.
Up and back and forth.
Garza, long range. Well, 5-point game, 27.8 to go. The Knicks with 24. Edwards had 31 on 8 3-pointers, but it wasn't enough as the Knicks